In the past 25 years, I've helped thousands of businesses grow to 7 figures and beyond, generating tens of millions of dollars for their businesses. And on top of serving thousands of clients, I've built and systematized and sold 4 different businesses, from 6 figures to 7 and 8 figures. With that being said, if you're a medical or healthcare provider, if you're in that industry, a service-based business, a coach, a consultant, or even an e-commerce brand, and you're looking to scale a 7 to 8 figure business in 2025, you're in the right place. Because I'm going to be pulling back the curtains on everything I've learned. So who am I? I'm Dr. Susie Carter, and I'm a globally recognized profitability coach. My work has been featured in New York Times, Associated Press, U.S. Chamber of Commerce, NBC News, and so many more. We have over 8,000 outlets. With that out of the way, let's get started. Let me ask you a question. If you stepped away from your business today, would it thrive? Or would it simply survive? The difference between a business that you own and a business that owns you is the systems. And let me tell you, the ultimate goal isn't just scaling. It's about creating a business that's so irresistible that somebody will pay 5 to 10 times what it's worth to take it off your hands. So the first step we need to look at is we have to assess where your current business is. You can't fix what you don't acknowledge. Most businesses have blind spots so big that you could drive a truck through them. And trust me, the longer you ignore them, the more they'll cost you in money, time, and sanity. So let's cover those hidden gaps so that you can stop spinning your wheels and start scaling. So start with a comprehensive business assessment to understand where you are today, right? I want you to look at what does your operations look like and execution. Identify the weak areas in your business that you've been turning a blind eye to. Trust me, there's always room for improvement, right? This isn't about just pointing the fingers. It's about clarity. The clearer we are on what's working and more importantly, what's not working, the easier it is to up-level. When I look at financial forecasting for the long-term growth, scaling just isn't about dreaming big. It's about planning big. Revenue goals are great, but wishful thinking won't get you there. Financial forecasting is your crystal ball. It shows you exactly what you need to do today to hit that 7 and 8 figure tomorrow. Think about it as your roadmap with scaling with confidence. Instead of crossing your fingers and hoping for the best, define your financial goals by forecasting the units and the revenue needed to hit that 7-figure goal. Create a financial model that aligns your business with your vision. Review your past financial spot areas and what do those need to be improved. It's probably pricing. Maybe it's expensive, but you'll never grow if you don't know. I worked with a client who thought they needed more sales, but simple pricing adjustment increased her profitability by 30%. It's not just about making money, it's about making smart money. The cash calculator that I use, this is a game changer because numbers don't lie. If you're serious about hitting those bold revenue goals, you need a calculator, not a magic wand. So let's break it down. How many leads, how many sales, how many units do you actually need to have your goals become a reality? Where the dream meets the data. This is where the numbers get real. I want you to use the cash calculator to determine exactly the number of leads you need for the sales. Focus on the units that you must sell to optimize your revenue. Track those sales numbers religiously to ensure that you're hitting your goals consistently. Revenue goals aren't just targets, they're milestones. Break them down into daily, weekly, monthly benchmarks to stay on track. Because we need to look at how many leads do I need to get in to close those sales. We need to create your own unique marketing and sales operational plan. Random acts of marketing don't build empires, and operations that live in your head won't scale. To hit the next level, you must have a marketing plan that connects the sales strategy that converts operations so smooth they practically run themselves. Let me show you how to bring it together. Here's the meat and potato of your strategy. Develop your marketing plan that speaks directly to the audience that you want and need. Forget generic ads, get specific, get niched. Build operational systems for scheduling, for inventory management, for customer service to ensure efficiency. We've talked about SOPs, right? Create detailed SOPs for every area of your business so it can run like a well-oiled machine. Mona Lisa Johnson went from shifting her high performance clients like Fortune 500 companies, and we grew her business from 1.9 to 4.6. Magic? No. Marketing and operations. They work in harmony. Leadership and operational roadmap for scaling your business. Here's the harsh truth. You can't scale chaos. If your team doesn't know their roles, their responsibilities, or what winning looks like, they'll sink a ship faster than you can say overwhelm. Scaling starts with your leadership and your culture. And I'll show you how to lead like a boss. Scaling isn't about just systems, it's about people. Developing them. Developing a leadership strategy to guide your team through the phases of your business. Create an organizational chart so everybody's clear. Who do they report to? What are their roles and their responsibility? Get a training portal to ensure consistency across locations, right? And regular check-ins to see if everyone's doing what they need to be doing. When everyone knows their lane and we can give them the tools, they will grow and thrive and become unrecognizable, but an amazing asset to your team. So let's look at systematizing for increased profitability. This gives us freedom. Here's the thing about freedom. It's not just about financial success. It's about a business that doesn't depend on you to survive. Right? In 1999, I was in a horrific car accident and I had to step away from my business for a year. I had neck surgery, I had back surgery, and in that time, my business grew by 20%. So systems are the ticket to stepping back into your business, right? It keeps scaling and making you money, right? Are you ready to get your life back? Let's talk about that freedom because that's what we're all here for. Automate, outsource. Use tech to reduce your workload. If we maximize profitability by improving revenue per customer, that's power, right? Optimizing pricing strategies, creating clear SOPs for every department so your business can run without you. When we systematized the operations at Herringstones, it allowed Debbie Harrington to step back and focus on strategy. And then we saw a significant boost in profitability. That's a power of system. We want to boost your sales with strategic buying and selling. Revenue just isn't about selling anymore. It's about selling smarter. Stop leaving money on the table. Every sale is an opportunity to add value, to increase profits. Remember Herringstones? When I first started working with them, they were doing 1.5 units every single customer. Now our goal is 4 units every single customer, right? Bundling products and educating our team without being pushy. This turns your average transaction into money-making machines. That took their business from 5 million to 10 million. We want to rethink our purchasing strategy, right? We want to include complementary add-ons. We want to increase the average order. We want to train our sales team to upsell strategically. We want to build a robust customer journey that naturally leads to more purchases, right? Small tweaks like offering accessories, bundles, bonuses can significantly boost your bottom line without adding inventory headaches. When we improve accountability with our team, that is a game changer. Even the best plans fail without accountability. An accountability team is the secret sauce for building 7-figure businesses. Without accountability, even the best plans fall apart. So let's talk about how to create a team that delivers results and doesn't stop dropping the ball. What's important as you grow is you implement structures like end-of-day reports, weekly check-ins, hold team members accountable the minute the ball gets dropped. Foster a culture of accountability where everybody's responsible for driving success. When your team is on point, you're not just scaling, you're thriving. We want to work smarter, not harder. Finally, let's ditch the hustle culture. Hustle culture is dead because working harder isn't the answer. Working smarter on how you scale without burning out. Let's cut the busy work. Let's delegate like a pro and focus on the activities that drive growth. Eliminate inefficiencies. Right? Let's implement strategic delegation, tasks that empower the team to take radical action to produce the result. I want you to be a result machine, not tasks machine, right? Shift from reactive problem solving to being proactive in our problem solving. So your business is always ready to scale because success isn't about doing it all. It's about doing what matters in the right order. Scaling to 7 and 8 figures isn't about luck. It's about systems, strategy, and leadership. Assessing your businesses, it's about building strong financials. implementing killer systems, empowering your team, not just scaling to build something, but build something that makes a difference, right? We can sell it to 5 to 10 times more when you have those in place. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level and you need a little help, right, reach out to me. Take these steps, put them in action, and watch your business transform. The systems are the magic, and now it's time to create your own magic. That's how you build a 7-figure business. And as a fractional COO, I help guide my clients and support them without the financial burden of a full-time employee, right? This allows my clients to delegate the big stuff to us, leaving them to focus on the tasks that actually make you richer. So you're no longer doing business by yourself, right? You're no longer stuck in 12, 16 hours a day. I helped Dr. Judy from Vitality Health grow her business from 1.5 to 2.8 in less than 2 years. Lisa Nichols, I took her from 80,000 to 10 million. Kathy, we grew her revenue from 60,000 to 1.4. These are just a few of many women who we've helped grow their businesses since working with my team. So if you're an established businesswoman looking to scale to $5 to $10 million and you want a step-by-step plan that supports you with templates, tools, strategies to help you implement everything that we discussed in this video, you can book a free assessment call with me by using the link in the description to see if you qualify to work with us. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm Dr. Susie Carter, your Profit Coach.